This 2024 Renegade Valencia 36SB is a Super C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features a Newport, Asheville, Hampton interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Renegade Valencia 36SB is built on a Freightliner Custom S2RV chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.